How to reset your AirPods. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets AirPods tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset or factory reset your AirPods. And this will work both on AirPods Pro and just regular AirPods. Resetting your AirPods can be useful if maybe you're having connection issues or just any sort of audio issues when you're connected to a phone or any other device, or if you're getting rid of your AirPods and you no longer want them to be connected to any of your devices. All right, so to get started with resetting our AirPods, the first thing we need to do is look at the back of your AirPods and you should see a little button here. What we need to do is open the AirPods case, then hold that button down until the light starts blinking orange. So as we keep holding it there, it'll start blinking white. This may take around 10 to 15 seconds. Once it turns orange, you can let go of the button and then we can close the case. Now we need to get the device we want to connect to. If it's an iPhone, you can just get it close to the AirPods. If it's any other device, put it in Bluetooth pairing mode. Then open up the case of your AirPods, and as you can see, they will quickly recognize them. All we need to do is select Connect. And then there you go. Our AirPods are now connected to a device. All right, so that's how you reset your AirPods. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more AirPods tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.